Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about how macroeconomics is directly applied on environmental and external issues. In the previous video, we studied about how microeconomics is directly applied on operational and internal issues. So in this video, macroeconomics applied on environmental and external issues. As we all know that macroeconomics is the study of economy as a whole. So, and what is environmental factors? Environmental and external issues are those issues which affect the firm from outside. So, environmental factors, there is a very big influence on the performance and functioning of firms. Any business firm or any business entity has effect of environmental and external issues on their performance. So there are some factors, so you can relate with macroeconomics. So there are three issues which are so common that every firm face it. So social, political, economical. So these are three common issues which are faced by each and every firms or business industry in the market. So as we discuss macroeconomics as a study goal, so we have to analyze that where our nation stands, what is the income level of our country, what is the level of employment in our country, general price level, and investment saving. So these are some issues which we have to analyze before we solve the environmental and external issues. First we have to analyze that we have that the level of income of how much the level of income of our country, what is the employment rate in our country. We have to analyze that to solve the to solve the environmental and external issues, and what is the general price level, so that we can give the tough competition to our competitors on the basis of general price level, and what is the where the government is investing. The government is investing in our business, in the sector by which our business belongs or not. It is it is in favor or it is in against of our business. What is the saving level of the country? So we have to analyze all these as a nation. We have to analyze, because macro is a study of economy as a whole. We have to analyze these things so that we can solve the environmental and external issues. And there is one. These are three factors: 1, 2, 3. Social, political, economical, and we can count these four factors, and there is a factor which is fifth: government policies. What are the government policies? And there are so many government policies coming day by day, like there are so many policies coming on for startups, and we have to analyze the union budget of every financial year. What is the conditions of for businesses in budget, and these conditions is in favor of our business or not. We have to analyze so many things to solve the environmental and external issues, and there are so many factors which affects our businesses. So sixth is market. We have to analyze our nation's market on capital and financial basis so that we can cope up with these issues. So let us summarize that as we have the common issues social, political, and economical, as macro is the study of economy as a whole, and it can be directly and these macroeconomics theories directly applied on environmental and external issues so that these issues can be resolved. So it is applied on environmental plus external issues. Okay, so factors are, we have to, these are issues, these are common issues. Factors are, we have to analyze the income of the nation, we have to analyze the investment, we have to analyze the employment level, we have to analyze the general price, we have to analyze the savings, we have to study about the government policies, which is very essential part for our business. We have to analyze the market structure so that we can give the toughest competition. After analyzing the market structure, our firm is able to analyze what is the condition of market. It is a bullish condition on which product we are dealing. It is on bullish or it is on bear. Okay, so these are some factors on which environmental and external issues are depend. First, we have to income, investment, employment, general price level, saving, market structure. So these factors are adverse effect on our organization. So every business should have fine tune its policies and should work on these factors in a very effective way and efficient way so that they can survive in the market, and no firm can survive isolation with the help of only macroeconomics. Firm is also depend on macroeconomics. So we have to analyze these factors also for the survival in the market. So business firms have to fine tune their policies to cope up with the adverse effect of these factors on the firm. So now today we are done with the scope of business economics. Scope of business economics, we done with macroeconomics, we done with microeconomics applied on operational and internal issues. So today's scope of business economics is completed, and our unit 1, which is introduction, is also completed of now in the next video we start our unit 2, which is basic problems of economy and price mechanism. So in the next video we will study about basic problems of economy and price mechanism. Till then, bye bye.